Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to open apps based on location on your Samsung Galaxy device. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, your phone can take action depending on where you are. So with Routine Plus, you can basically set a feature and this will basically turn on an app based on your location. So if you're heading to the gym, Spotify opens up automatically. At work, maybe Microsoft Teams or Gmail opens up. So let me show you how to set this on your Samsung Galaxy device. So here we'll go ahead and open up the GoodLock app. In the GoodLock app, you're going to go ahead and scroll down and find Routine Plus. On the Routine Plus, you're going to go ahead and scroll down and find this feature called Location-Based Quick Access. So you can set a button or a key to open an app when you press it while you're in a particular location. So go ahead and tap on this. So here we can go ahead and set what button to press. So let's just say we'll press the volume up button. However, we'll go and press and hold the volume up button. Then we'll go and press done. Now we'll go ahead and set a location. So let's just say we'll set a location maybe at our gym. So here you can go ahead and choose when you arrive or when you leave. So I'll go ahead and set it as when I leave. Press OK. Next, I can go ahead and choose what app to open. So let's just say I want Spotify to open since I'm at the gym. So I'll go ahead and search for Spotify. Now next, I want to go ahead and tap on save. So now when I'm at my gym, I can just go ahead and long press on this volume up button, and this will automatically open up the Spotify app. So your phone becomes smarter and more personalized. So no more wasting time unlocking your phone and then going through all the apps to find that particular app. You can just go ahead and set button here, shortcut, and this will basically open up that particular app which you set. So it's like your phone already knows what you need. So there you go guys, that is how to open apps based on location on your Samsung Galaxy device.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.